Lose weight fast, a guide. Weight loss is a process that requires dedication and consistency. There are many ways to lose weight quickly, but the most effective methods are often the simplest. Here are some tips to help you get started. The first step is to create a plan. It is important to set realistic goals and create a timeline for achieving them. You should also identify the areas that need improvement and come up with strategies to address them. The next step is to make changes to your diet. This includes reducing your calorie intake and eating a balanced diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. You should also limit your intake of processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats. In addition to diet, you should also incorporate physical activity into your daily routine. This includes activities such as walking, jogging, swimming, and cycling. You should aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per day. It is also important to get enough sleep. This helps to reduce stress and improve your overall health. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to ensure that your body is well rested and energized. Finally, it is important to stay motivated. This can be done by tracking your progress, setting rewards for milestones, and finding support from friends and family. Remember that progress takes time and it is important to be patient and consistent.